Okay. So slide is visible to all of you, no?
Yes,
Right
ma'am.
now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we start with the first topic. That is the first chapter of Unit 2, Boolean algebra and logic gates. So basically now in Unit 1 we have observed that how and what language the electronic equipments use when it comes to calculation of your computational work. We have observed those number systems and the arithmetic involved with that. Okay. So basically, when it comes to digital electronic equipments, they will be based upon digital logic circuits. Okay, there will be logic circuits involved inside the digital electronic devices. अभी electronic device क्या होता है? That is basically your PC, personal computer, laptop, Android phone. These are all digitized circuits, digital electronic devices. So they all come under the category of digital logic circuits. Because if you open up all these circuits, you will find digital logic gates inside it. Now these digital circuits, okay, they are actually based upon the logic equations. That is, circuits are designed based upon the logic equations. Logic equations, logic equations, basically we will get, okay, that is logic circuits and logic equation, basically we will get from logic gates. So logic gates will be involved in it. Logic gate works upon the logic of either 0 or 1. Means the inputs given to these logic gates is either 0 or 1. You must have been introduced to this logic gates in mathematics also in 11th and 12th standard. As well as science students must have learned all these things in your physics also. And bifocal students definitely have learned what are logic gates and Boolean algebra. So we are going to learn one step ahead of it. Then all these things will lead to Boolean algebra or logic algebra. So all these things comprised together is called as Boolean algebra, which we are going to learn in this first chapter of Unit 2. After learning Boolean algebra, we are going for the next extension, which is Karnaugh maps. That will be in second chapter of Unit 2, for which we need the basic fundamental, which is our Boolean algebra. Am I clear with what we are exactly going to do in this chapter, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now coming up is Boolean algebra has basic three operations. There are three basic operations in the Boolean algebra. Okay, just look at the laser pointer, all of you. So OR operation, which is symbolized as plus, AND operation, which is symbolized as dot, and NOT operation, which is symbolized as negation. That is overhead bar. Not means complement, means inversion operation. So it is symbolized as a overhead bar. So if A is the input to any given gate, then the output, if it is A bar, means it is converting that particular input to the complement of it. Means if the input is 0, output will be 1. If the input is 1, output will be 0. So these are the three main basic operations of Boolean algebra. Okay. So first is logical AND. It is called as addition operation, or it is also called as OR operation. Addition means it is logical addition operation. Don't identify the addition with your mathematics addition. Okay, it is slightly different when it comes to logic or Boolean algebra, which is symbolized by plus sign. Second is logical multiplication, that is AND operation. And third is logical complementation, which is inversion or your NOT operation. These are the three basic operations which we are going to learn. We will start basically with this. So these are the three basic gates which are going to be involved. So here, ये क्या लिखा है? Oh, the transcript is also coming. I don't want transcripts. Acha, you are able to see all these transcripts with the recorded lectures?
What is transcript, ma'am?
वो अभी ये जो subtitles की तरह आ रहा है, no ना?
No, ma'am.
नहीं मेरे को
No,
नहीं
ma'am.
दिख रहा।
Because I am also seeing it for first time only. Anyway,
Ma'am, it
कैसे
would be
बंद
on the
करना है
developing state.
हाँ हाँ,
It would be on the developing state.
maybe हाँ. Okay, so these are the three basic logic gates. First is AND. This is the symbol of your AND gate. Three sides are the square or rectangle side, and the fourth side is curved. Okay. Whatever logic gates we are going to start with right now, they are all two input gates. We are starting right now currently with two input gates. It can be developed to n input gates also. Means we can have 4 input logic gates, we can have 8 input logic gates also. Okay. So this logic gate is having two inputs, A, B, Y is the output. Boolean equation will be Y is equal to A dot B. Okay. What is AND gate? AND gate will give you high output. Now, outputs of logic gate will be either binary 0 or binary 1. Binary 0 is called as low state and binary 1 is called as high state. This is what we talk about Boolean algebra. But when it comes to electronic language, binary 0 will be nothing but 0 volts and binary 1 will be nothing but plus 5 volts. That's why the maximum power consumption of any logic gate is also plus 5 volts. So this is the truth table of your two input logic gate. Let's say A and B are the inputs. So if we are having two input logic gate, there will be how many combinations of input? The number of combinations of input available will be, if we have an input logic gate, then we have 2 raised to n combinations of inputs given to the gate. Okay, so अगर 2 inputs है तो 2 raised to 2 is 4. So 4 combinations आएंगी. So these are the 4 combinations which will remain common for any 2 input gate. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So AND definition says when A and B is high, output will be high. So that is the reason that when A is 1 and B is 1, output is 1. Otherwise, when any one of the input is 0, output is 0. We symbolize AND with a dot operation. So logically 0 dot 0 will be 0, 0 dot 1 will be 0, 1 dot 0 will be 0 and 1 dot 1 will be 1. Am I clear with AND logic, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Then next is OR. OR is called as inclusive OR because we have another OR gate also which is called as exclusive OR, XOR, which we are going to learn ahead. OR gate symbol is like a fish. So the shape of the OR gate is like a fish. It is having two inputs A and B. Y is the output. Boolean expression of OR gate is A plus B because plus is the symbol of OR. Plus symbolizes OR. So truth table will be again same. It is two input gate. So we have 4 combinations of input 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. These combinations remain the same for any similar input gates. So AND gate definition is AND gate will give you high output when any one of the input is high. AND gate gives you high output when any one of the input is high. That is the reason that 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is also 1. Okay, and 0 plus 0 is 0 because none of the input is high over here. So that is your OR gate. Last basic logic gate is NOT. NOT stands for negation or inversion operation. It stands for negation or inversion operation. So the symbol of NOR is like a triangle and a bubble in front of it. A is the input to the NOR gate. and then we have output y. Over here ahead we can also write Boolean expression. So for AND it is A dot B, for OR it is A plus B, and for NOT it is A bar, because it gets complemented. So Boolean expression of NOR is Y is A bar. It is single input gate. So for single input, n number of inputs will have 2 raised to n combination. So one input will have 2 raised to 1 means 2 combination. That is either input can be 0 or it can be 1. But when input is 0, output will be 1. When input is 1, output will be 0. That is the negation operation. Am I clear with basic logic gates, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Moving quickly ahead. So these are the definitions. This is an electrical diagram shown for you to define AND and OR logic. So let's consider two switches. These are just like proper electromagnetic switches, what we use in any electrical circuits, A and B. And they both are in series. So for AND gate, these switches A and B are series switches. Okay, both are in series. And then along with that, we have a bulb and a power supply E. Now here you can visualize when the switch is open, okay, that means it is equivalent to binary 0. And when the switch is closed, means current is able to pass through it, means it is equivalent to binary 1. So if you look at this kind of a circuit, the first circuit, when is the bulb going to glow? In which condition? When both the switches are?
When A and B are connected.
Yeah, when both A and B are connected, that time the bulb is going to glow. That means when both A and B are 1, that time the bulb is going to glow. When any one of A or B, if it is open, the electrical circuit is not complete and hence the current will not be able to flow in the closed circuit and bulb won't glow. That is how you define or visualize a AND logic gate. So AND gate gives you a high output when all the inputs given to it are high. If any one of the input is low, the output will be low. Same way, on the similar basis, we have a OR logic. In OR logic, A and B are parallel switches. Both are parallel to each other. Okay, now in parallel switches क्या होता है? अगर दोनों A और B open रखा मैंने 0 0 पे, the circuit will be not complete, bulb won't glow. But if A is closed and B is open, current will flow through this direction, bulb will glow. Okay, same way, if I close B and keep A open, current will flow through this direction and bulb will glow. Same way, if I close both, current will flow through both directions and still bulb will glow. So that's why when any one of the input is high, output will be high. If both the inputs are low, output will be low. That is how your OR logic is defined. Understood, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's the electrical definition of AND and OR, which I purposely wanted to show you so that you can, visualize it. Then next two gates, what we are going to learn are derived logic gates. Okay, they are derived logic gates, means they are derived from your basic logic gates. So first out of it is NAND and second is NOR. Now what is NAND? NAND is been made or constructed from AND gate and NOT gate. So AND and NOT together form NAND. AND and NOT together form NAND. So you can see over here the first diagram. So we have a AND gate. AB is the input. Boolean expression is A dot B. This output is given to a NOT gate. The output expression of this will come with a inversion. So it will be A dot B bar. And that is the reason that Boolean expression for NAND is also Y is equal to A dot B bar. Okay. So it is exactly opposite of AND. So as it is exactly opposite of AND, the output of the truth table will be also opposite of AND. What was your AND logic? What was the AND logic? When A and B is both are high, output is high. Otherwise it is low. So this was your AND logic. NAND will be opposite of it. That's why this 0 turns as 1, this 0 turns as 1, this 0 turns as 1, and this 1 turns as 0. And hence from the truth table we can derive the definition that when A or B is low, that time your output is high. So NAND gate gives you high output when any one of the input is low, becomes the definition of your NAND gate. Is NAND clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Same way we have NOR logic. In NOR logic, this is a symbol. A, B is the input, output is A plus B, which is given to a NOT gate. So Y will be equal to A plus B bar. Symbols will be same as OR gate symbol only. Okay, first diagram is shown construction, second is a symbol. So what is the similar difference between OR and NOR? A single bubble. So this bubble drawn at the output position defines inversion operation. So wherever you can find a bubble, it will involve a inversion operation. Bubble involves the inversion operation. So the fish-like symbol is the same and the bubble shows you inversion operation. So this becomes a NOR symbol. Boolean expression will be A plus B, the whole part. Now try to recollect your OR logic. What was OR logic? When A or B is high, output is high. So truth table of OR is 0, 1, 1, 1. NOR is opposite of that. That's why this 0 turns as 1 and this 1 turns as 0. So NOR logic becomes when any one of the input is high, output is going to be low. That becomes your NOR logic. This is clear? NOR gate
Yes,
gives
ma'am.
you
Clear.
low output when any one of its input is high. So NAND and NOR are derived gates and or not are basic logic gates. Clear everyone? Any doubts up till here?
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Next derived gate, what we are going to learn two more. One is inclusive OR and other is opposite of it. That is XOR, XNOR. That is one is exclusive OR, XOR, and other is exclusive NOR. Okay, exclusive OR and exclusive NOR. So let's see first exclusive OR. This is symbol of exclusive OR gate. So OR gate symbol fish-like is the same. Only you can see this layer. So this layer tells you that this is how it is similar from a inclusive OR. So this is exclusive OR XOR. A, B are the inputs. Symbol of XOR. This symbol of XOR operation is plus and a circle. Okay, symbol of XNOR operation is dot and a circle. So these are the symbols of it. Okay, जैसे symbol of NAND was dot and a bar. Symbol of NOR was plus and a bar. Same way. So here let's see what is the XOR gate. XOR gate is a gate which will give you high output for odd number of inputs to be high. It gives you a high output for odd number of inputs to be high. So that's why now as we have two input XOR gate, A, B, combination of inputs given will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, look at the laser pointer, all of you. So XOR gate gives you high output when odd number of inputs are high. So when we give inputs as 0, 0, no input is high, so output is 0. When we give inputs as 0, 1, single number of input is high, so output is 1. When we give input as 1, 0, single number of input is high, so output is high. When we give inputs as 1, 1, two number of inputs are high, so output is 0. So that becomes output of XOR 0, 1, 1, 0. or 2 input XOR gate. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Same way XNOR. Now XNOR will be opposite of XOR because it has been derived from your XOR and NOT gate. So first we have a XOR gate like this. A, B is the input and output over here is A plus and a circle B, which is then given to a NOT gate, and then hence the output become A plus and a circle B the whole bar, which is also written as A dot B bar. A dot and a circle B bar. A dot and a circle B. So A dot and a circle B becomes the Boolean expression of XNOR. It can be also A plus and a circle B the whole bar. Okay. Now it will be opposite of XOR. So XOR is giving you output as 0, 1, 1, 0 for same combination of inputs. So your XNOR will give you output as 1, 0, 0, 1, opposite of XOR. Am I clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So these 7 logic gates you should know thoroughly. Okay, what are basic logic gates? What are derived logic gates? What is the symbol? What is the Boolean expression? What is the mathematical symbol representation of it? And what is the truth table? So these all things you should know. This is actually the base. इसके ऊपर ही तुम्हारा पूरा आगे जाके Boolean theorems, Boolean laws, Boolean expressions, and the whole topic is then going to extend slowly. Okay, ये तुम्हारा बेस है. तो ये अच्छे से तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए, जुबानी पता होना चाहिए. It should be on the tip of the tongue. It should be that clear. Okay. Moving ahead. Any doubts up till here, all of you?
No, ma'am.
Hold on.
Okay. So this is what I have to try to show you over here is how it makes a difference when it comes to 2 input gate and 3 input gate. So let me just 2 minutes and 4 input gate. Oh, two minutes, huh? Because I want to get it done from you people. That's why I'm erasing this out. But you should understand the definition. That's important. And the expression. Okay. So we come up to 2 input gate. So 2 input gates. So AND gate already this is missed out. So chalega. So AND gate, the same combination of inputs will be there. There will be no difference. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So AND logic is A dot B. So output will be When both the inputs are high, output is high. Otherwise, it is low. So 0, 0, 0, 1. OR logic is what? When any one of the input is high, output is high. So for 0, 1, output is high. For 1, 0, output is high. For 1, 1, output is high. When both the inputs are low, output is low. Understanding now what I'm doing? I'm trying to draw together and show you all the logics together. For 2 inputs, same way I will extend it to 3 input and 4 input, because ahead in all our units, we are going to involve multiple input logic gates. That is the reason I want to clear up that doubt here itself only. Clear now, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Then NAND logic will be what? Opposite of AND. So if AND is 0, 0, 0, 1, NAND will be 1, 1, 1, 0. NOR. What is NOR? NOR is opposite of
Opposite of OR.
OR. तो अगर और आउटपुट है 0 1 1 1, नॉर आउटपुट रहेगा 1 0 0 0. Now what is XOR output? XOR output is 0 1 1 0. So what will be XNOR output based upon that? 1 0 0
1 0
1.
0 9.
ठीक है. Now we come same way to 3 input logic gate. So 3 input logic gate में 3 inputs आएंगे A B C. So let's write down the 3 input combinations. तो 3 inputs से तो कितने combinations आएंगे inputs के? 2 raised to 3 means 8 combinations. So all the values of binary from 0 0 0 to 1 1 1. Now you all very well know that how we write these combinations. Yes or no? From where I'm getting this? You remember that table, no? Binary table?
Yes,
All of
sir.
you? Okay. Now coming up to AND logic, the logic applied will be the same. What is AND gate? When anyone AND gate is when all the inputs are high, output will be high. When all the inputs are high. So only for the last state, 1 1 1, output is 1. Otherwise, when any one of the input is low, output will be 0. Is this clear? Are you getting it?
Yes.
Same way, OR logic. OR logic says when any one of the input is high, output is high. So except for first input, in first input only all 3 inputs are 0. So output will be 0. Then from the next input onwards, in every case, there is at least one input which is high. And that's why the output also comes as high. Okay? NAND is opposite of AND. So output will come as 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0. NOR is opposite of OR. So output will come as 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Now XOR. XOR ध्यान दो. This is important. XOR gate definition says when odd number of inputs are high, output is high. So first output over here will be 0. Second output is 1 because one number of input is high. Then 0 1 0 में single number of input is high, output is high. 0 1 1 में two number of inputs are high, output is 0. 1 0 0 में single number of input is high, output is high. 1 0 0 1 0 1 में two number of inputs are high, output is 0. 1 1 0 two number of again inputs are high, output is 0. And 1 1 1 three number of inputs are high, so output is 1. Understood XOR output, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now XNOR will be opposite of XOR. तो stress नहीं लेने का, XOR का complement लिख देने का. So 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0. I hope this is clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. बुलर एक्सप्रेशन भी मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है. समझ में आया ना 3 इनपुट का कैसे लिखेंगे ऑन द सेम स्टैंड. For AND it will be y equal to a dot b dot c. For OR it will be y equal to a plus b plus c. For NAND it will be y equal to a dot b dot c bar. NOR it will be a plus b plus c bar. XOR it will be a plus and a circle b plus and a circle c. XNOR it will be A dot and a circle B dot and a circle C. Am I clear with 3 input logic gates? Shall I move on to 4 input?
Yes.
क्या तुम लोग मीन्स एकदम ब्रेकफास्ट लंच नहीं करके आते हो कुछ भी?
मैम एक्चुअली ये थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग है.
अच्छा क्या कंफ्यूजिंग है? तो तुम पूछोगे नहीं तो मुझे कैसे समझेगा? बोलो. हाँ
ये मैम वो 3 इनपुट लॉजिक गेट है ना, उसका थोड़ा सा स्टार्टिंग वाला 2 खाली, बाकी सब तो रिलेटेड है आगे का, नैंड नॉर एक्सनॉर वाला.
हाँ, तो स्टार्टिंग वाला कौन सा नहीं समझ में आया? एंड
एंड
और
और हाँ, एंड और जो है ना 3 इनपुट लॉजिक गेट वाला, उसका वो.
हाँ, तो वो डेफिनेशन के हिसाब से जाता है. व्हाट इज एंड लॉजिक सेज? व्हाट इज एंड डेफिनेशन? When all the inputs to AND logic gate
Both inputs
are
are
high,
high.
तो output is high. 2 input पे हमने लिखा when A and B is high, output is high. तो उसी तरह से अगर 3 input है तो when A and B and C is high, output will be high. Otherwise it will be low. If any one of the input is low, output will be low. तो तुम केसेस कंपेयर करो ना. यहाँ पे देखो 3 इनपुट 0 है, यहाँ पे 2 इनपुट 0 है, यहाँ पे सिंगल, यहाँ पे सिंगल, यहाँ पे 2 इनपुट्स आर लो, यहाँ पे 1 इनपुट इज लो, your 1 input is low. That's why output is low. Only in the last case all 3 are high, so output is high.
ओके मैम.
क्या वो कन्विंसिंग ओके नहीं था?
समझा मैम.
समझा? और गेट में क्या होता है? when any one of the input is high, output is high. So now you see the combinations. 0 0 0 में none of the input is high, so output is 0. 0 0 1 में C input is high, so output is high. 0 1 0 में B input is high, so output is high. 0 1 1 में B and C both are high, so obviously output will be high. 1 0 0 में A is high, so output will be high. 1 0 1 में A and C is high, so output is high. 1 1 1 1 1 0 में A and B is high, so output is high. And 1 1 1 में all 3 are high, so output is high.
समझा मैम.
समझा? पक्का समझाना?
यस मैम.
बाकी सब समझ में आया?
यस मैम.
ओके. अभी उसी तरह से 4 इनपुट. तो 4 इनपुट में पहले तो हम 4 इनपुट में 4 इनपुट्स कंसिडर करेंगे, A, B, C, D, and we will write down 2 raised to n combination of inputs, means 2 raised to 4, so 16 combinations. So वो combinations will start from 0 0 0 0 and it will go on up to 1 1 1 1. The same table will come, the binary table what we have referred before. Okay. Now here again we go on with the same thing and logic. So and for 4 input will be A dot B dot C dot D. तो यहाँ पे AND गेट के टाइम पे डेफिनेशन अप्लाई होगा, AND गेट डेफिनेशन. So when A and B and C and D is high, output will be high. So only for this last combination this situation is coming. That is when A and B and C and D is high, so output is high. बाकी सब कॉम्बिनेशन तुम देखोगे तो कोई ना कोई जीरो रहेगा ही, एंड दैट इज द रीजन दैट द आउटपुट इज गोइंग टू बी जीरो. अभी ये समझा जिसको लास्ट प्रीवियस टॉपिक में कंफ्यूजन था? इज दिस क्लियर?
यस मैम.
हाँ. सेम वे वी गो विथ और नाउ. और में अभी क्या होगा? और डेफिनेशन 4 इनपुट्स. तो एक्सप्रेशन इज y is equal to a plus b plus c plus d. Just a moment, all of you, 2 minutes. हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, एक्सक्यूज मी, और जस्ट अ मिनट, तुम लोग ये खुद सॉल्व करो, फिर मैं जब भी करूंगी सॉल्व तो हम लोग वेरीफाई करेंगे। मुझे ना एक कॉलेज से कॉल आया है एंड आई हैव टू अर्जेंटली टेक इट अप। ओके, so try to solve
Okay,
this
ma'am.
and then we will verify with my solution.
ओके मैम।
Okay, did you all of you solve it? Sorry. Did all of you solve it?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Now
Yes.
verify with me. OR gate, when any one of the input is high, output is high. So for only first combination 0 0 0 0, output will be 0. Okay.
0 and then
Then from next combination onwards, at least one of the input is high in every case. So output is going to be high. This is clear to everyone now, all of you?
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
same way NAND logic में अभी opposite of AND आएगा. तो 1
Till
1
last
1 1 1 1 1 1 1. All are 1 except last is 0. NOR logic में first will be 1, rest
Fourth
will be
output.
all 0.
rest of the thing.
Now XOR ध्यान से करना है because XOR में हर टाइम definition check करना पड़ेगा हमें. XOR says when one of odd number of inputs are high, output is high. So first combination output 0. Second 0 0 0 1 में one number of input is high, so output is high. Next में भी one number of input is high, output is high. Next में two number of inputs are high, output 0. Next one number of input is high, output is high. Next two number of inputs are high, output low. Next two number of inputs are high, output low. Next three number of inputs are high, output 1. Next one number of input is high, output is high. Next two number of inputs, output low. Next two number of inputs, output low. Next three number of inputs, output 1. Next two number of inputs, output low. Next three number of inputs, output 1. Next three number of inputs, output 1. Next four number of inputs, output low.
0.
अंडरस्टूड ना? XOR क्लियर है सबको? समझा
Yes.
सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
XNOR उसका अपोजिट आएगा 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. Clear to everyone? How do we get it? We didn't by heart this. Only thing is what we need to remember is the definition. That should be clear. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So that's for today. All logic gates are clear. I hope you will all practice out this so that we will start then with Boolean algebra in the next class. Okay, this I will start from tomorrow's class and finish off tomorrow. Okay, आज इतना ही. तो मैं ये अपलोड कर देती हूँ ताकि तुम्हें प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए मिले, तुम्हें देखने के लिए मिले, रिवाइज करने के लिए मिले ये चीज. हाँ, बट बुलियन लॉज जो है वो मैं कल के लेक्चर में शुरू करूंगी. आज मैं 2 घंटा नहीं ले पा रही हूँ. Rest I'm taking it only for 1 hour. Is this clear?